Alright, in this video, you're going to learn how to create the flyer on page 36 of worksheet 8.2. Alright, so let's get started. First, from CorelDRAW, you click on File, New. Okay. You have to change the dimension to 138 pixels width and height to 1424 pixels. Make sure the units is in pixels and the primary color code is in RGB and the rendering resolution set to 72. Okay, with these dimensions entered, click OK. And notice that the document is pretty small, so let us zoom in and fit it onto the page. Okay, let us start off with creating a perfect circle by holding down the Control key. Next, we'll draw a line by using the freehand tool. Okay, to draw a straight line with the freehand tool, click once. Okay, sorry. Before that, we have to drag out two guidelines from the horizontal ruler. Okay, I drag it one. And then from the vertical ruler, I drag out the other one. Okay. The reason why I want to do this is I want to know the center of the circle. Okay, so with the freehand tool, click once here, release the mouse button, drag it to the other side, make sure it crosses the center of the circle, and click. Okay, we will not draw another one, instead we are going to copy this line by going to edit, copy, and edit, paste. Okay, by doing so, the copied version will be overlapping the original one. So to view the other one, we will flip the copied version to the right by clicking on mirror horizontally. Okay, next we will group these two objects as one. Okay. Now to easily have copies around the circle, we will use a new feature in CorelDRAW. Click on Arrange, Transformations, and Rotate to bring out the transformation panel. Okay, we will need to have several copies. Okay, first of all, let me change this to say 45. Okay, and the number of copies is 3. Okay, and then the relative center to the middle, and I click apply. Okay, there you go. You have multiple copies of the two lines. Next, we're going to create the capsules. So let me create one first by drawing a perfect circle. Fill the shape with black. Okay. Next, we have to do something to the center of rotation. Okay. Click the circle to show the rotation handle. This particular button is the center of rotation. We will drag it to this point over here so that the center of rotation is on the Ferris wheel. Next, we are going to duplicate this capsule around the Ferris wheel by going to rotation. Let us change it to 22.5. And then relative center to this button here. Sorry, it shouldn't be here. Okay, it should be here. So do not change the relative center here for this case. Okay, now we will apply 15 times There you go. Okay. Next, if you would like to delete the guidelines, you can click on them and press the delete button on your keyboard. Okay. Next, you will have to export it as a PNG file. So go to File, Export. Okay, export and locate your thumb drive. Let me go to Sec2 HCPA and locate PS8, and file name will be flyer, save as type PNG, and you click export. Alright, you can see that the flyer is being displayed here, and you click OK to complete the export. Okay, there you go. Thank you very much for viewing the video.